The Makita PJ7000 plate joiner product listing frames the tool as a precision, mid-weight joiner built for repeatable, accurate biscuit joint work. The Makita page lists a 5.6 amp motor that delivers about 11,000 RPM, a cast aluminum pivot fence with positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, 6 depth settings with one-touch stops for number 0, number 10 and number 20 biscuits, a rack and pinion vertical fence system for accurate height adjustments, non-marring rubber shoe inserts to prevent slipping, a slim ergonomic body and a toolless blade cover and shaft lock for easier blade changes. Customer reviews on Amazon tend to praise the PJ7000 for its refined fence mechanics and accuracy, noting that the rack and pinion vertical adjustment really makes it easier to dial in identical slots across workpieces, a feature especially valued for cabinet doors and furniture cases where repeatability matters. Buyers remark that the Makita feels well made, comparatively lightweight but rugged, and comfortable for extended use. Some buyers point out that replacement blades and accessories are straightforward to source, and the dust port accepts compatible vacuums to keep the workspace cleaner. Slight criticisms usually relate to the price premium compared with the very cheapest joiners and a suggestion that owners consider an aftermarket blade for specific high-hardness woods, but overall the Makita's build precision, comfortable ergonomics, and depth control earn it consistent praise from serious hobbyists and pros alike. We share by links in description box.